And when you put in a hard day of work, you expect to be paid.
But that's not happening at a healthcare clinic in Clarksville. Employees there tell News Channel 5's Chris Davis they haven't gotten a paycheck in weeks, and now they're demanding answers.
Every morning we had a line out the door, 10, 12 people waiting to come in.
And for months, everything went smoothly at the Advanced Care Medical Clinic in Clarksville.
And then we got a paycheck that was late by a couple of days, and they're like, oh, that won't happen again.
We found out without any notice that we had lost our health insurance, we had lost our benefits altogether. And so that was when we knew there was trouble.
Then in October, the paycheck stopped altogether.
A good portion of our staff are single family incomes. And if you don't have an income, a single family income, then you don't have Thanksgiving and you don't have Christmas.
For weeks, the employees here at the clinic tried to keep the place open even though they weren't being paid. Eventually, though, a piece of software was allowed to lapse, meaning they couldn't keep the clinic open. So now the door is locked and this sign is up.
It wasn't us. We did everything we could. We're still trying, honestly. We still are.
Even with an empty clinic, a core group of employees continues to report to work to keep support services going for as long as they possibly can.
We've continued to come into work every day, even without pay for the last 2 months. We were here for our patients.
We reached out to Advanced Care Medical for this story, and so far we haven't heard back. But the clinic did hear back from corporate during the middle of our interview. The executive told them they were working to get them all paid at least through the month of October, but also asked them to stop engaging with reporters. Otherwise, quote, I'm just going to shut down the clinics, including closing the company, end quote.
We've really built a great thing here, and we've worked really, really hard to get to where we're at today. So to see it all kind of crumble is really, really heartbreaking.
Employees say they're doubtful they'll ever see the money they're owed. In Clarksville, Chris Davis, News Channel 5.
The Tennessee Department of Labor confirms they've received 6 complaints against Advanced Care Medical, and their labor standards unit is investigating at all 3 of their Tennessee locations.